back to my channel. For today's topic, we shall talk about smarter money habits, lifestyle upgrades, and practical finance ideas that actually work in real life. In fact, investing in yourself doesn't always mean learning skills. It sometimes means clearing up things that waste your time. You can earn more money, but you can never earn more time. Every day you're trading hours for something like work, running errands. Nowadays, there are options to outsource many of these tasks, such as food delivery, cleaning service, as it saves time and effort. The question is not whether it's expensive. The real question is this worth my time? Does spending more money save you time? For example, if you earn $50 an hour and food delivery costs $8 extra, but picking up lunch takes an hour, by spending $7 to protect $50 worth of earning time. That's a win. That's called a positive trade-off. You didn't waste money, you optimized your time instead. Sometimes paying more is the efficient choice, but this doesn't mean spend freely. Convenience becomes dangerous when it turns automatic. Things to watch out for are unused subscriptions, impulse delivery habits, paying for things you don't value. So before spending, ask yourself, does this help me earn more? Am I buying freedom or just convenience addiction? Here's the takeaway. Being good with money isn't about spending less. It's about spending on the right things. You can always earn more money, but your time is limited. Hope this episode has changed how you spend money, and hit like, subscribe, and share this with someone who's trying to work smarter, not just harder. See you in my next video.